Hey everyone, in this video we will be diving into the new artificial intelligence arrived in the tech world. Devin, the world's first AI software engineer. Devin is developed by Cognition, aims to revolutionize coding by managing the entire development lifecycle, deploying apps autonomously, detecting and fixing bugs, from coding entire projects to fixing GitHub issues. Devin AI's performance metrics shows promising results. Devin can plan and execute complex engineering and programming tasks. Devin can recall relevant context, learn over time, deploy code independently, and fix bugs. From smaller tasks like building websites to creating and deploying apps and complex software, Devin can converse with you as it goes, explaining the workflow and feedback. With these abilities and capabilities of Devin, there's a fear in tech industry about job replacement, and the era of human software engineers might be coming to an end. But before you get panicked, let's take a look and see why even with these advancements, software engineers are still unreplaceable. Devin is designed to work with engineers to help them to do their jobs better, not to take their jobs away. With Devin, engineers can focus on more interesting problems, and engineering teams can strive for more ambitious goals, enhancing productivity rather than replacing jobs. Repetitive tasks like debugging, boilerplate, code generation, and even some aspects of software design will be tackled by Devin. Companies will prefer AI like Devin to complete these types of work rather than hiring a fresher or engineers, which let them increase overall development efficiency and the potential to lower overall cost associated with software development. Software engineers need to learn and update their skills around new technology and software development. Software engineering isn't just about writing code, it's about creativity, solving problems, analyzing user needs, and innovating. Devin will increase the efficiency in software development with its performance, but it is unlikely to completely replace human software engineers. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with everyone. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.